Hello all and welcome to this super quick lecture on the trace operator. This could be one of the shortest video within this playlist so far. However, it is a very important and frequently used topic and you will come across it a lot if you go further with your studies in machine learning. So let's quickly understand what is a trace operator and what is its significance or properties. So the trace operator for a given matrix A is denoted as this, and it is simply the sum of all the diagonal elements of the matrix, as we can understand from this notation. For example, I have created this matrix A which has these 4 elements, and we have 18 and 6, these 2 elements diagonally with each other within this matrix, and if we try to add these two we get 24, and the dot trace function within the NumPy library is doing the same calculation for us. And yes, believe it or not, it is how simple it is. However, this simple idea of trace operator holds some really useful properties, like the trace operator for a given matrix will be equals to the trace operator for the transpose of that matrix. And you can think logically that even if we are transposing this matrix into its transposed form, still you will have 18 and 6 diagonally, and hence the output of the trace operator will be the same. And also for 3 matrices, let's say A, B and C, if the multiplication by alternating the position of these 3 is possible, then the trace operator for all the 3 outputs will be equivalent. And lastly, the trace operator provides a very simple way of calculating the Frobenius norm that we have already discussed within this playlist. So all you need to do is simply take the multiplication of the matrix and its transpose and then calculate the trace operator for that, and the square root for that value will be exactly equals to the Frobenius norm of that matrix. And all these properties of the trace operator enhances the efficiency of a machine learning model. And as I said earlier, this one will be a super quick lecture, and it really was. I'm really excited to tell you that the very next lecture within this playlist is going to be on principal component analysis, a super duper useful and frequently asked topic in any given machine learning or data science interviews. It is a topic where most of the people, especially I'm talking about the newcomers, struggle a lot to have a good understanding, but we are going to understand it in a very simple way in the very next lecture. So please stick to the playlist, subscribe to the channel if not yet subscribed, and drop a like below to support our work. Thank you very much for your time today. See you in the next lecture. Bye.